They say Al-Balda's summer is very quiet, a cool breath between the heat and the silence. People head to the sea to cool off and let go of the long, hot days. Children laughing, feet pressing into warm sand, and waves rolling in steady and calm. This is where the celebration begins.
وشكرا لكم. غدا في نفس المكان والموعد فعاليات أخرى وفقرات متنوعة.
From near and far, they come to Mukalla, drawn by the breeze and the warmth of its people. During البلدة, the city feels different. It lights up. Photos in every corner. Villages brought back to life. Tents filled with stories, food, music, and colors. All of it connected by the sea. Old craft returns. History lives in hands, color, and movements. A quiet dance, a handmade ornaments, then, just like that, Al-Balda begins to fade. Gently, slowly, leaving behind a soft breeze and memories that stay long after summer ends. Al-Balda, the last note of summer and the stories you take with you from Mukalla.